Italy.
Hey Louis, what?
Look what I bought.
What did you, Maisie?
Hey.
Did you buy a monkey? Why did you buy a monkey?
Because I wanted to. And it was on sale.
On sale? Where did you get that? Where did you get a monkey? In Denmark?
From mysterious men.
Have you been in?
Never mind. Isn't he adorable?
Yes, I guess he is. I guess he's adorable. And now you bought him, then we have to keep him. So, do you have any names?
Can I hear the name? Sir Banana.
Sir Banana.
Oh yeah.
How about Professor Primate?
Professor Primate?
Yeah, why not?
It's from Artemis Fowl.
So, Sir Banana just sounds stupid.
Professor Primate was to a doll. This is a real life ape.
Yeah, exactly. He has a brain. And he's nearly as smart as us.
I guess he's smarter than you.
You just had to say that.
Just sing!
He's already on your side. It's unfair. 2 against 1.
Oh yeah, right. Isn't that right, Sir Banana?
Professor Primate.
Sir Banana.
Professor Primate.
Sir Banana.
No.
Sir Banana, get back here.
No, he doesn't want to.
Oh yes, he will.
No.
Guess who got a banana?
Don't listen to her.
Guess who got a banana?
She doesn't even have bananas.
Yeah, okay. But
I will call him Professor Primate, and that would be his name, and it's going to be his name.
no,
Yes.
he don't listen to it.
No, but he doesn't listen to Sir Banana either.
Professor Banana.
Professor Banana?
That could work.
Yeah, actually, that's like, yeah, why not?
Professor Banana. I guess that was a yes.
Yeah, I guess you like it.
From now on,
Should we call him Professor Banana? Yeah, I guess that's his yes. How he says yes. So,
from now on, it's Professor
Professor
Banana.
Yeah, that's going to be his name.
So, say hello to Professor Banana.